Hey ladies, it's Chantel from Jamberry, and it's time for Friday from the Fridge Box, because my car's a flex and it looks like a fridge. So I'm going to let you all in on a little secret today, in case you didn't notice yet or don't know me very well. I'm a big crybaby. It's true, I'm a big crybaby. Quite often we'll be watching a movie or something and it comes to an emotional part and my husband always looks at me to see if I'm tearing up. And of course I am, and then I laugh at myself and I laugh at him because he's, you know, looking at me knowing that I'm going to bawl. Anyway, so it's September 11th, and this day I usually spend quite a bit of it in tears as I'm reflecting the events of that day and our country. Look at me, I'm already starting to do it. And I usually spend a good portion of the day listening to patriotic songs and watching videos and talking to my kids about stuff. And of course I sit and cry and cry and cry, but that's all right. That's who I am. So my question for you today is, what's your favorite patriotic song or video? And comment in the links and share it with us, because I really need some more videos to watch. So help me out, right? All right, girls. Love you all so much. I'm grateful for this life that we have, this country that we're in. My prayer is that everyone will find some way to serve someone else today, to show their neighbors or their loved ones or a stranger that there is good in this world still. So go out and make us proud. Okay, see you later. Bye. Sheesh. Oh, man. The struggle's real, girls. The struggle's real.